So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can add a line item into the work breakdown structure and get it exactly where we need it to go. So first off, we're going to add a task here through the Gantt chart view, and we're going to make this task a new task where we want to be placing right at 3.7. So we're going to insert it here at 3.7 and move that initial development system task down to 3.8. So we enter the task below, and then it shows up here under the initiating phase when we do it here through the Gantt. So we want to move it down under executing, and then it's going to end up down at the bottom of executing in 3.12. So the next thing we want to do is open up that task. And here, if you put the work breakdown structure, the WBS order field on the form, then you can edit it right from here. So this is really the key, being able to edit that. And it's in the context of its parent phase. So it's the order in its parent phase. So here we're changing it to 7. We save the record, and then it doesn't refresh right away. So we'll go ahead and refresh this, and you'll see now that the task is moved to 3.7. So now what we need to go through is delete the dependency for the old task that exists between 3.6 and the old 3.7. Get rid of that dependency, and you do that by double clicking on the line and then deleting the dependency. And then we use the canvas to redraw the dependency. When you're drawing the dependencies, you want to make sure that as you go over the child, so you're starting with the parent and then you go to the child, you want to make sure that on the left you see that highlighted. See, 3.8 got highlighted. That's how you know you've got the right target with the dependency. Okay, so that's one way to do it. The other way to do this is to start from the project plan itself instead of within the work breakdown structure in the Gantt chart. So let's go ahead and switch over to that view now. So here's the project, and we're in the CTI project, and we want to go into this executing phase. So we're going to start there to add our task instead of the Gantt chart. So basically we're going to go through the same process, but what this is going to do is get that task into the right context of its parent right away. So we can right away go ahead and enter the task name for the new task. So we're going to enter new task for 3.8 here. But now what we can do is right from this view change the WBS order. Once again, we've got an order field that we're going to use. And by putting that WBS order in here, it's going to automatically recalculate and push all the other ones after that down. So now if we look at project test 3.8, we've got that with the correct order of 8, and the installed development system's been pushed down to 9. So now we go back and we look at this on the Gantt chart, and we have to follow through with the same steps we did before, but that may be a simpler experience for people to create that line item and change the WBS order from the context of the phase that it's in, instead of wondering exactly where it's going to show up on the Gantt chart. Hope that helps.